This Nail Cuticle Oil Pen set included 10 kinds of taste. Our nail cuticle oil are made from pure natural oil ingredients. It is a high-quality nail nutrient oil. Effectively prevent nail cracking, reduce epidermal wrinkles, promote healthy nail growth. Great for gel nail polish and acrylic nails. Nail Cuticle Oil Pen make nails regain their lustrous and beautiful texture. Many external elements break down the nail's natural structure, causing it to become weak and susceptible to cracks, splits, breaking, stains and uneven ridges. It may even slow nail growth. Skip the salon. In just minutes a day, this cuticle oil pen will moisturize skin around your nails, leaving them with healthy cuticles and a beautiful salon-finished shine. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice treatment, easy to use and noticeable improvement in a short while. I received one of these in a goodie bag and then had to buy them to give to sisters, nieces, etc. My nails had been strong my whole life and I started ruining them with fake nails. After a couple months of no fake nails I figured my lousy nails were due to age catching up with me.